People have asked me where is the origin of chicken parmigiana. तो ये जो डिश है टिपिकल अमेरिकन चिकन और रेड सॉस जैसे बोलते हैं, वही ओरिजिन थी. तो न्यू जर्सी में एक इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट में ये एक्चुअली पॉपुलर बनी थी. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ब्रेडेड चिकन ब्रेस्ट with a really nice fresh tomatoes, a little bit of tomato puree or a tomato sauce, और उसके ऊपर cheese and in the oven. So let's start cooking. Now for this, I'm using a chicken breast. Okay? तो chicken breast को हम क्या करते हैं, पहले इसको हम बीट करने वाले हैं. कभी कभी इसको हम बटरफ्लाई भी करते हैं. तो ये जो चिकन ब्रेस्ट है इसमें डाल देते हैं अभी. तो इसको हल्का सा हम चपटा कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट कुक्स वेरी इवनली, वेरी ब्यूटिफुली. ओके, फर्स्ट क्लास. सो वी हैव आवर लवली ब्रेडेड चिकन ब्रेस्ट है. फर्स्ट क्लास. नेक्स्ट, salt and pepper. Okay, beautiful. Now there are variations. People like to add herbs in it, but you know what, you don't need anything. Now we are going to dust it in a little bit of flour. Okay, so we're just going to dust it with a little bit of flour. Beautiful, nice. Next, eggs. Okay, we just going to beat these eggs a little bit. Now in the breadcrumbs, what I like to do, I like to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it. I'll just put it here only, okay. And in the breadcrumbs, I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. And I have some grated Parmigiano, some Parmesan cheese. Perfecto. We're going to put our chicken in this. So अच्छी तरह हमने egg में coat कर दिया ऐसे. अभी हम इसे यहाँ पे लेटाते हैं. Just let it lie in here until we are ready to toss it up. जब भी आप ब्रेडिंग करते हो ना, you have to be literally ऐसे करते हैं. Okay, rather than putting it, pressing it. No, you want to build air into this. Okay. So I'm going to be adding some nice rice bran oil here, which I'm cooking in. It's time to put first class. Now you will find recipes ये जो chicken को butter में fry करते हैं, but I like to use a nice light vegetable oil, because you know what, ये जो chicken का flavor जो है, breadcrumbs है, parmesan cheese है, अभी हम इसके ऊपर tomato sauce डालेंगे. So I mean, do you really need butter? I don't think so. Now look how beautiful this is. Okay, nice, lovely. Now for my topping, I have some lovely tomato slices. Look कितने juicy है ये tomatoes. उसके साथ हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा फ्रेश टमाटर का प्यूरे जो मैंने किया है पहले. ओके, और फिर उसके बाद हम डालेंगे a nice piece of juicy tomato, lovely bocconcini or buffalo mozzarella, which I'm putting in here as well. Tomato, mozzarella, basil, you can't go wrong. Yes, I know vegetarian bhi banta hai isse. You can substitute the chicken with bengan, delicious. You can even substitute it with paneer if you like. If you're a vegan, tofu and vegan cheese, be my guest. Next, preheated oven. Basically, I just want to melt the cheese. I want it to go lovely. In 6 or 7 minutes, voila! Dinner is ready. Oh yeah, baby. इसे कहते हैं parmesan. Amazing. Nice. Now this, you could serve it with a beautiful side salad. It's very popular with French fries, be my guest. But you know what? I just like to eat it like this. So it's time to plate this up. Chicken Parmigiana. Like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel and watch the most amazing food which we cool chefs cook all around the world. Buon appetito!